Hey friends, hello. I hope you're all doing good. Today we'll see how to make these beautiful stone art which are two-sided. In fact, some have motivational quotes and some have been made on the clay because you can make it either ways. If you do not have stones, you can use clay as well or even the wall putty. So let's see how to make them. Welcome back to my channel, Maths Word of Passion. Now some of these stones I've collected from the garden and here and there, and this one I've made out of clay. Now on this one I'm going to make an emoji. Now all that you need is a varnish and a few acrylic color, and if you want you can apply a coat of gesso on these before you start painting. But then I thought I would just use them the way it is. Now I start coloring them. Now coloring, again, as I always keep saying, it's totally your choice. You can change the color and do it according to your wish. Now some of them I've colored here, and always after you color them, keep it on some plastic paper so that the print on the paper doesn't get transferred on these stones. Now since the summer vacations for the kids are going on, I think this is the best one for you all to give your kids. It doesn't need any sort of an investment. You just need these stones. And what I'm doing here is for my daughter's room. I'm just making a nice cute stone art which she can keep in her bedroom, and whenever she sees this she'll remember the love that she's been given by her parents. So this is me and my husband. We are giving our heart, a big heart, to our daughter. I've written "As we love you." So these are some of the ideas that I'm sharing in here. In fact, you can change the things, the quotes and other things as per your wish. Now since it's a two-way stone art, I'll just allow the first side to get dried up so that we can start doing on the other side. Now here the clay that I had used to make this particular flat stone, I'm making emojis on both sides. Now I'm pretty sure all of you might have seen a lot of such stone art on different platforms, but I'm sure what I'm sharing in here is something very unique because one, it is two-sided, and one, it is unique in its own way because it has variety. It's not just a motivational quote or emoji, or here I'm doing the minions. So it is not about just a stone art, it's about how you're presenting them. Now this you can keep anywhere with any of your decor. I'm sure it's going to go just fine. Now here I'm making a cute little face of a small baby, and the one that you saw before was a funny guy. So all these things, when you keep with your decor things, they are going to add up and they're going to look really cute. And if somebody is walking into your home and they find this, and if your kid has made this, I mean, imagine what kind of appreciation they would get. Now this is something that the kids can easily do. If you can see here, I'm using sketch pens. I'm drawing firstly with the pencil on these white or whatever color that I've used here, and then I'm using the regular sketch pen. But if you do not want to use sketch pens, you can also use the permanent markers. So if you notice this particular stone art, if you see on the one side of it, I've written "As we love you," and on this side it is "You're our angel." So this is going to look so cute on the study table. It can also be used as a paperweight, and what more do the kids need? This is the best idea and something really lovely. Now this particular stone was a little unique one. It had four sides, or I can say the four flat sides. So I used the quote "Live, Love, Laugh and Evolve." And on top I've written a free-spirited girl, which is so happy that she's just living her life to the fullest. That's the kind of a girl that I've drawn there. And again, the same thing will go into my daughter's room. Now this one is a motivational quote which you can keep anywhere. Inhale courage and exhale fear. So these are some of the things, some simple ideas that you can grab from here, and give these simple ideas to your kids so that they can recreate something like this in their free time this summer vacation. After you finish painting all of these, allow them to dry for a couple of days. Now here what I'm writing on the other side is just breathe and stay strong. Now here you can keep it with the planters in different corners of your home and use it also as a paperweight. Now do not forget to varnish once it's dried up after a couple of days, as I just mentioned. Now guys, I hope you all have liked this simple, easy idea as to how you can give this to your kids and ask them to spend their time this summer vacation. I hope you people will recreate this and share with me on my Instagram account. My Instagram account link is also in the description box. If you want, you can check it out too. But yes, before you sign out, do not forget to like this video, share, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys, and bye bye.